What's up, Berry Squad? So I thought I'd vlog today because Lil Man and I are going to the mall, and I know that you guys really like my vlogs, or also like when I do my clothing hauls. But I figured since I do a whole bunch of online shopping, or whenever I go to the mall and find something, I just figure I'll give you guys a mini haul and show you guys some of the items that I had picked out. And then I also had made this really nice dresser for my bedroom, so I also had wanted to include that towards the end of the video. And then I also wanted to tell you guys about these great vapes that I had got.
I have to show you guys my new vape from VOOPOO that I had got. So here's the white one, and then I also had gotten a orange one. It also comes with a charger that you can see right here.
So y'all make sure to check the link in the description box down below so y'all can grab y'all vape. And what I also really love about them is how small they are, so they can definitely fit in your purse or wherever you really need to put them because they're not big at all. Now I'm just waiting for Sensen to get ready and put his shoes on so we can head to the mall. And y'all, I had to set up this camera right here because it's so heavy. I was walking around at first and I'm I can't do that. But yeah, just waiting for the driver to get here and then we're gonna head out. Y'all, my hair is over here messing up because I'm trying on all these clothes. Got some off-white hair pressed in. This is a cute ass dress. Some glare. So I'm about to show you guys all of the items that I had got today, and I want you guys to let me know in the comment section down below which piece is your favorite one. And this is actually interesting to do because usually I don't ever go to the mall and then come home and show you guys what I be buying, because I literally only do the clothing hauls for Fashion Nova and stuff. But I thought, why not show you guys some of the items that I have picked out and show y'all how they fit and stuff. So here we have the first outfit. This is the glare outfit. I'm pretty sure y'all have seen it in black before. And it says glare right here. And I really love the bodysuit. They also have it in all black. But this is the color that they basically had at the store that I really liked. And then here we have the matching tights to go with it. And then on this side, it says glare as well. And then here we have the bottoms. And these are Italian sizes. So the top I had got in a 38, and then the tights I had got in a size 40. And this is the off-white top that I had got. As you can see, it's see-through. And it says off-white. And it says it pretty much throughout the shirt, in random areas. Right here. And whenever I wear and dress up, I'll make sure to close it. And then this is what it looks like. So it's this long. I don't know why it goes like this. I don't know how I'm gonna wear it when I do wear it out. I mean, I could also tie it. But yeah, this is the off-white top. Y'all, why do they be putting all this? Who needs all that? It looks from the back. And then I got this hair Preston shirt. Also, all of the items that I'm showing you guys right now are from the Webster. The Webster, they pretty much have different designer clothing pieces from different brands. So yeah, just a simple crop top. It's giving. Now I'm about to show you guys some pants that I had picked out from the Louis V store, y'all. These pants were $1,800. So I'm about to try these on. And then here we have the Louis pants, y'all. So this is what they look like. And as you can see, like as far as the back, they're like really, it's like a low cut in the back, but they still fit good. And I got them in a size 40. Now that I showed you guys all of the clothes that I had got, I'm about to show you guys the boots that I had picked out. Yeah, look. They're like this jean material, and then this is what the heel looks like. Can't wait to wear them. I had a great time shopping today, and now I'm just about to make some dinner and cook. Let me know down below what you guys thought of the items that I had picked out, and if you guys like want me to do like more hauls of like personal stuff that I like pick out online, or like that I go shopping for at the mall, because I know I usually don't do that for you guys. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm about to show you guys the dresser that I had made for my room, and also show you guys like how I made it. So if you liked today's video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comment section down below what you guys would like to see next from me. I needed to get this black storage shelf, but they didn't have it, so I had to go with the gray one. And this is basically what it looked like before, and then this is how it's going to turn out. And here are the items that I needed to get in order to make this dresser. See me priming the furniture piece before being able to actually put the paint on. And then here you can also see the doors, so I really wanted it to be a black color, that's why I had to prime it. And here I'm just going over it with the paint. I also only did one layer of paint, and then here you can see what it looks like. So I really had like the shiny look. And then I had to sand the entire piece again, and this is what the doors look like. So as you can see, like they're like this brownish color. I had to sand them as well, prime them, and then after that dried, I was able to put the paint on again. So the paint that I chose gives off this glossy look, which I had really liked. Since it's a regular cube organizing shelf, I had to insert these inserts of doors. Now I'm about to glue these panels down. I had ordered them online on a website. They actually came from Europe. And here you would just basically see me applying them, and then I'm taking the plastic off. And here you can also see it's like this mirrored gold look. Now that all of that is complete, I'm just adding the doors onto the dresser. Let me know in the comment section down below what you guys actually think of this unit. This is how it turned out. I did end up deciding to change the legs on the dresser just because I didn't like them. But yeah, I really had loved how it turned out. Also, this dresser that I'm about to show you guys right here was one of the old dresses that I had made. It was a mirror dresser, but I've been trying to find a black and gold dresser, so I just decided to make my own.
And y'all already know I really love me some roses that last forever, so I got these from Rose Forever New York. They make luxurious rose boxes of 100% fresh roses. You can get these roses in different boxes. They have them in heart-shaped or even round, and they also have different colors of roses. Make sure to check them out. I also have a discount code for you guys to save $20 of your purchase.